Hey guys, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to lower memory usage in Windows 10 so your PC can run faster and smoother. Step 1. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Registry Editor, then click on it. This opens the built-in Windows tool where you can safely change advanced system settings. Step 2. Click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. This ensures you have permission to make changes to the system registry, which is necessary for the next steps. Step 3. In the Registry Editor, expand HKey Locale Machine. This is the main section of the registry that stores all system-level settings. Step 4. Expand System. This folder contains important system configurations, including memory and service settings. Step 5. Expand Control Set 1. This is the current control set Windows uses to manage system services and drivers. Step 6. Expand Services. This section lists all the services running on your computer, which can affect memory usage. Step 7. Scroll down and find Undo, then click on it. Undo stands for Network Data Usage, and modifying it can help reduce memory load. Step 8. Double-click on Start in the right pane. This value controls how the service starts when Windows boots. Step 9. Change the value data from 2 to 4. This disables the service from starting automatically, which can help lower memory usage. Step 10. Click OK to save your changes. This ensures that your adjustment takes effect without any errors. Step 11. Close the Registry Editor. Your changes are now applied, and you should notice improved memory performance after restarting your PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips.